For today. Today is election day. We had our event that we did at 4 o'clock yesterday, and we went over a few picks on what to look for, what to be prepared for. Hopefully, everyone's all excited about that. Good to see you all too, James, Morgan. Good to see you, John. Good to see Lawrence, Grant, Lewis, everyone, everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live. Welcome. So it's going to be an exciting day. I'm looking forward to it. I don't think it's going to be as crazy as it was yesterday. We talked about the projections already in. They're already projecting that the Republicans are going to win the House and the Senate by 1 seat. We don't know, depending on certain laws in certain states, that they might have to go look at the ballots, the mail-in ballots, whatever it is. But it looks like Wall Street does like what they hear about it. There was a nice little push in the market because of it. And with that said, that's why we're here today, because no matter what party you are, we are the party of trading, and we're going to talk a lot about it. So listen, over here on my watch list on my right, I got all the stocks that we were talking about yesterday. We saw about the Trump stock that had a really big move yesterday. We're going to talk about that one. You can see that stock had a great run up, went from $20 to $30. Like Trump, hate Trump, I don't care. I love this stock. Everyone did well in the Cyber Group room. Why would you not trade it? So that's the beauty of it. And then also there was the sister stock, PHUM. Now, oil stocks obviously also did very well yesterday, and they've been doing well. Maybe they're also excited about it. But what was doing really, really bad was all the EV stocks. You could see it. NEO got crushed. Tesla's getting crushed. LI's getting crushed. They're making lower lows. All the EV stocks. So as much as we were up so much yesterday, all those stocks took a big hit. So no matter what we traded, everything was pretty good. You know, even BTU was doing pretty well yesterday. You could see all these stocks from yesterday, 27 to 30. GCT was another. It was an early runner up in the morning. What was it? The FNKO was a really nice one. That thing just went from $7. Great run up. Good bottom fish. You could see it was a $20 stock, went all the way down to $7.50. What a great bottom fish. That stock went from $7.50 all the way back to $10 a share. Great run up. My favorite, though, I thought everyone did really well, was the Virtue. Damn, this thing was phenomenal. So look at this. This stock literally popped right out of the gate, 9:30. You had that great pre-market move, popped right from $12 all the way up to about $15.50. And then right after 10 o'clock, we were pretty much done. So no matter if you're in here in the morning or the afternoon, that's middle of the day. Those are usually the most volatile times of the market. Now, what to expect going into today? Now, once again, yesterday at 4 o'clock, we did an exclusive workshop on how to trade the close. We invited a bunch of you new students here to come in and to join us in Cyber Group room. By the way, if you're on YouTube, you can always like us and friend us. Feel free to join our trading room and see what it's like to trade as a day trader, a swing trader, an options trader. But for some of you here, we're going to do another one tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So after the election is over today, hopefully we'll get a better understanding how the street will act. Now remember, buy on rumor, sell on news. So the rumor is the Republicans look like they're going to win the House and the Senate. You know, that's the rumor. The news, obviously, once that news comes out, you might get some good shorts going on, and we'll see how that affects tomorrow because everybody's looking to take a profit. So we had some really, really nice recovery. Remember, we took a very big hit in the market. For some of you just saw right here, let me bring this up. We took a very big hit on that market right there due to the Fed rate, and then sure enough, we kind of pretty much recovered all of it. Now, we got this big resistance levels right around this 33,000. If we can get past that, it looks like the stock could make another $1,000 run, 1,000-point run, I'm sorry. Now, what else is moving for today? Listen, there were a lot of cool stocks that were making some big runs. The big one this morning was the HUDI. So HUDI, remember we saw the stock a couple of days ago, started right around $22, went to almost 200, and then got destroyed yesterday. She made a little bit of a move this morning, okay? So around 8 o'clock this morning, if you were here, you saw that stock make a little bit of a pop right here. So the HDUI is going back on our watch list. Now, it's a very fast-moving stock. Unless you're one of the advanced traders, Category 5 trader, you could trade it. Other than that, stay away from it. Now, there are the other cheap stocks that are moving also. This stock, I wasn't too crazy about the chart. The spread's kind of ugly. Tier size is very small. Kind of turned me off a little bit. And you could see as we're working our way, we're on the second biggest percentage gainer, 19%. 45-cent spread, no real trend. ICCM had a big pop early around 8 o'clock this morning, came crashing down. cheap stock, 4.2 million shares. You know, because we don't have that much out there, I probably have no choice but to put it on the watch list. So we've got a couple of other stocks that are moving. This one's a little bit way too expensive, not trading at $245 stock. SPWR, looks like it's testing some highs here. Tier size is small, up 12%. Like I said, not really what we like, nothing that we really want to jump on. And why is that? Because today is election day. No one wants to come out with news on election day. You know what I mean? So you're not going to see any real crazy earnings, not going to see any big news. They want to see what's going to happen with the election. And even on the losers, we're getting good losers. Sometimes stocks don't have a choice but to make, have to make an announcement. But we get 8-day count bounces here. I don't see anything. I mean, this stock is getting crushed, down 35%. Look at the size of the spread. It's like almost like 40 cents. 40 cents just to break even. Here's a stock getting hammered. My God, talking about, this is a stock that we traded the other day. Remember it went from $10 to $60? Because I can't believe it came all the way down. Not only did it, didn't want to come out with that news over the course of the year, but my God, that thing is just getting destroyed. I guess, remember we told you, pharmaceutical stocks don't come back, okay? But we're not trading it. It's probably not on a short list. It's under $1. So anything under $5, you can't do it. Now, we're getting a little bit of bounce on Blue Apron. We saw Apron yesterday. We traded it. It got really beat up. Maybe get a dead cat bounce on it. We'll put that one up there. You got Kohl's is on there. What the hell happened here? KSS. That one, a little bit of brand name. Trades a little faster than usual. We probably don't like. Not big iceberg orders out there as much as we have. And what was this? Party City? Wow, on the big losers list. Wow. Party City, we always get kind of bounces. Party City moves. Nice. Party City is a slow-moving stock, nice little stock. But I guess Halloween didn't really work out for them because that's like their biggest profitable market. But we'll put it on the watch list because it's not a pharmaceutical stock, and we know that they will bounce. But other than that, it's kind of garbage out there. And was already cool with this going into today. So I'm not going to get aggressive, but if I do see some action, we will jump in there. Sometimes companies hold, news orders are held back until the market opens up. But as pre-market goes, the only thing that we did pretty good on pre-market right now was the HUDI, and that was about it. Now, anything else I'm missing I did not call out? Anybody here on YouTube, Facebook, any of them? No, I don't really see anything. So anyway, let's get right to the market opened up. We'll see you back here at when we'll start commentating when the market opens up. If you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, feel free to come and join us. Join the trading room if you want to sit around and see the oldest trading room in the industry and see how we're going to trade this market. You're more than welcome to. Cyber traders, you see something, say something, and like we say, trial members, please don't buy anything. Just sit there and watch. All right, guys. Good luck today. Happy trading, and don't forget to vote. See you back in the afternoon.